studying first class. My school name is Harvest Public School. My topic is clothes. Clothes we wear. We wear in rainy season. It's made with special clothes. We will wear in winter season. It's made from woolen. Thank you. It protects you from cold. It protects you from rain. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Tanika. I am studying in 1C. Today's topic is we wear clothes. It is a rain cloth. It protects us from rain. We wear this cloth rainy season. It is a cotton cloth. We wear in summer season. It protects us from heat. It is a wool cloth. It protects us from wind. We wear winter season. I am Tanmay from Vandi. Today's topic is clothes we wear. This is woolen cloth made with woolen. We wear in winter. It protects from wind. This is cotton cloth. We made with cotton plant. It wear in summer season. It protects from heat. Today's topic is what we wear. This is woolen cloth we wear on winter. It protects from cold. This is cotton cloth we wear on summer. It protects from heat.